We're on the crane. This thing here can do 4 ton. I did a quick estimate last night and I think it weighs about 3.5. We'll see what happens. So attempt 1 didn't work and we're putting it back, moving a few things around, readjusting the crane. So babe, looks like it's just going to live on the driveway.
It's the new that build up there.
Yeah, the mini.
It's going to live in the sky.
Yeah. Yo, it's Wednesday the 8th of April and it's also the last day you'll see this here. Tomorrow morning it gets picked up, put on the back of a truck and driven to that build up there. That's right, I'm moving my studio right next to my house. Yo, it's Thursday morning and we've got Britain's house movers on site just getting ready to jack it up. Plan is for the truck to drive in this way, slide under, drive out that way, drop it on site, boom, easy. You might be wondering why I've taken the doors and windows out. It's because I need to reconfigure it on site, and because we're craning it, I wanted to reduce as much of the weight as possible.
You've got 2 sides and 1 front in it, so you can either lift either side or just the front up.
What's up? Good.
It's ready for its new home, babe.
I know. Suddenly a true story.
Yeah. The precision of that driver, he had like 10 mils on that side and 20 mils on that side, and the way the trailer tilts, I could watch this stuff all day. And just like that, less than an hour after they turned up, it's on the truck, ready to head to its new home. Let's follow it along. Now you can see why I was stressing about getting a driveway done to the perfect angle. Last time this truck was on site, it got stuck and needed to get towed out. Part 1 complete, we have it on site. Next mission, moving it from there, down there. Our front door's over here, our garage is here, and the tiny house is going there. Right, Kieran, what's your clickbait facial today? Or give us that. Right, Noah, what's your reaction?
This is same.
Same as last week.
It's all the same.
Have you do a reaction?
It's pretty good.
My next biggest concern, will this crane be strong enough? I've added it up. I think it's about 3.5 ton. The truck driver's confident. Let's see what happens. We're on the crane. This thing here can do 4 ton out at 4 meters. I did a quick estimate last night and I think it weighs about 3.5. We'll see what happens. Yep.
Good. It's a fucking seriously.
So attempt 1 didn't work and we're putting it back, moving a few things around, readjusting the crane. Let's hope this next move is the last one. So babe, looks like it's just going to live on the driveway.
It's the new that build up there.
Yeah, the mini.
It's gonna live in the sky.
How good will it be when it's finally in its place?
Pretty exciting. Like it'll be like the first kind of like almost finished thing on site.
We'll be able to sleep in it.
You know,
Coming camping on site.
sleepovers.
Round 2, load it up. Let's see what happens. Looking good, be careful of the Remu.
Oh yeah, of course, I like it. Oh, are you still hitting on the string?
We've got this side in, we're just lowering this side and then we're done. It's in! It took 1 hour to move, 2 hours to crane. Now we just got to chuck the new doors and windows in and boom, it's ready to go. The original plan was to hire it onto a low loader from the yard, drive it to site and then unload it, but it ended up just too big and just too wide, so I had to call in the big guns. Cheers Paul and the team at Britain's. This is the 3rd time you've come and moved a house for me. Every time it's been amazing.